Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update. And now again the sideways continues on and too much manipulations going on in here. And smaller time frame, can I just tell you guys, smaller time frame is really noisy. If you're going to 15 minutes time frame, this is where the whole noise is happening, right? So this pump and dump is confusing a lot of people, right? And it has been like that. You've just been going down, going up and down, sideways, and all this sideways movement is pretty trashy right now, and it's gonna be very, very bad. And sometimes I even kind of feel like a lot of people deserve to be thrashed when they just want to look at the smaller time frame, which is pretty noisy. I mean, smaller time frame is important, but if you're going to base your trade only on these time frames, then you deserve every single punishment that the market is actually going to give you. Why do people not go and look at the weekly? Why do people ignore the monthly? Why do people want to ignore the daily? It's because nobody wants to be patient. That's all. And does that really help you? Do you think it's going to help you that you're not going to be patient? It's not. It's not going to help you at all, because you are just going to hurt yourself in the long run. Even though you don't want to wait and go down into the 15 minutes and the lower time frame just to take some few trades, you will still end up having even the worst of it all, because you are ignoring the bigger picture here. However, if you go to the monthly candle simply solves a lot of problem. If you want to know what's going to happen next, all right? And let's say you did actually go to the monthly is going to give you the biggest hint what is about to come up next, and that is a 1424 can be expected to happen, right? The bigger picture tells you all. Why? Because that is a doji. It's a doji, right? And this doji represents a movement to the downside. So it could actually be that you actually come down and take that wick on the monthly time frame. Right, it has done it right over here, it has done it right over there. It does actually do that a couple of times. So this is going to be a move down, and if you do come down here to 1424 by the end of January, that's going to be almost like an evening star when you combine these three candles together. And you could even expect February to be a little bit more red, and then after that we're going to see what happens after February. So if you do this, it's going to be amazing. If you go into the weekly, you can see that these two candles alone, one green, one red, with 16 minutes to close the candles, these are bearish and it could actually drop down. Okay, again, higher time frames are helping you. But when you go down and you look at 15 minutes, right, you think that things are awesome. Oh yes, it's a pump here, it's a dump, it's a pump and dump. And trust me, man, nobody's winning this. Nobody's winning. I think people are going to lie if they say they have been winning. First of all, even if you say that this is a consolidation place where you buy at the top here, you sell here and then you buy down right over here and then you're selling up here. You're just buying again and you're selling up here. We didn't even know if this was a sideways movement until it didn't happen 3 days ago. This is where we started to actually have the idea that it's going to be a sideways movement. And who's going to tell you that it's going to go down from here? Who's going to tell you it's going to go up from here? At least we do have the weekly hint that it's actually going to go down because of that bearish pattern that I just showed you. So just stay away from the market. I don't know why you have to trade. You don't have to force yourself to trade all the time. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love. Peace.